Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. If you're new and this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Elizabeth, and on this channel we talk about nursing, lifestyle, vlogs, beauty, and so many other interesting stuffs. So if you'll be interested in any of those stuffs I mentioned, do definitely make sure you subscribe down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the perfect brow. Should I say perfect or next to perfect? I'm just going to be showing you how you can draw your brows perfectly using some drugstore stuff that you can easily get in any store you walk into. If you're interested in seeing that, do definitely keep on watching. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. What you're going to be needing for these brows include a pencil, a buffing brush or a blending brush, an angled brush. I don't know if that's focusing, or yeah, you're going to be needing an angled brush. You're going to be needing a concealer. You're going to be needing a wand. Those are the things you're going to be needing for this video. First and foremost, you're going to make sure that you brush your brows upwards. My brows are not currently carved because I'm trying to grow it out, so it doesn't have a particular shape right now. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it doesn't have a particular shape at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to go in with a well sharpened pencil and just draw it from below. I'm going to just trace out the line that already exists. Okay, and for the top I'm also going to do the same thing. Just trace what already exists. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill in my brows with very tiny strokes. That's filled in, very tiny strokes. Right, then next thing I'm going to do is to brush the ear upwards, so it's going to give it that kind of natural look. I already have my concealer here. I'm just going to be using that to kind of what's the word, sculpt. Yeah, I think that's the word. I'm just going to be using my concealer to, you know, just sculpt out my brows now, just to give it that bold look. Then I'm going to start from my arc. Yeah, then I'm also going to do the same thing for the frontal part. All right, so next thing I'm going to be using this brush to just blend it out. It still doesn't look straight enough, so I'm going to go ahead to solve that. Right, I think this looks better, so I'm going to go ahead to just buff it out. Can you see that? After that is done, then I'm going to go ahead to do the top of my brows. Also using the same technique, I'm going to start about 1/3 of the brows and just draw a straight line till I get to my arc. Okay, then at my arc, when I get to my arc, I'm just going to create and just draw this down. Okay, I made a mistake there, so I'm going to try to correct that. Right, that looks better. Then just clean out the excess. All right. And voila, you have your brows. So I'm just going to brush this in. Okay, I kind of touched it there, so you can go in with your pencil again and just fill it in. You know, it's not as difficult as it seems, guys. All right, that's it. So that's it, guys. Simple. Right, so for the front, I'm just going to do this. I'm not really a fan of drawing strokes, or maybe it's because I've tried it once and I didn't really like how it turned out, so I haven't done it again since then. So I'm just going to do this. And if you would like to make your brows lighter, you can just go in with your concealer on your wand and just, you know, stroke it this way, and that's going to give it like a lighter look, kind of. And that's basically it, guys. Simple as ABC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're going to try this, do definitely leave a comment for me in the comment section down below, and let me see how your brow game gets better. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.